Renewable energy is the fastest growing alternative to electricity in Nigeria. Between 2015 and 2017, over 1.7 million off-grid solar products were sold within the country. This number is expected to rise in the coming years as demand increases and renewable energy products become more affordable. Lead-acid batteries are widely used as energy storage systems in Nigeria, especially for off-grid solar systems, and the environmentally sound management of used lead-acid batteries (Ulab) is of utmost importance to the renewable energy sector. Studies have shown that improper management of used batteries results in high levels of lead and sulfuric acid pollution in the environment. These hazardous substances pose a threat to human health when improperly disposed. Exposure to high levels of lead can cause brain and kidney damage, impair hearing, and other health problems. In 2017, it was estimated by the World Health Organization that lead exposure accounted for 1.06 million deaths globally. Unfortunately, in Nigeria, the current system of collecting and recycling used lead batteries is informal and doesn't always meet environmental standards in the handling, transportation, storage, and recycling procedures. Lead-acid battery recycling in Nigeria lacks a standardized process across its value chain, consisting mainly of scavengers, collectors, and recyclers. Right now, renewable energy operators don't have to take back used batteries from their customers. When they do, however, used batteries are sold to unlicensed collectors or recyclers who discharge toxic battery acid carelessly into the environment, after which they are then transported in unmarked vehicles to a local recycler who manually breaks open the battery without using personal protective equipment (PPE). Lead contents are recycled in unhygienic conditions that disregard human health and the environment. These concerns around the potential negative impact of used lead batteries in a growing renewable energy market has led the Renewable Energy Association of Nigeria to develop an internal policy on the environmental sound management of used lead-acid batteries. This policy commits its members to adopt a take-back program of used lead-acid batteries from customers and recycle them following the principles of the Basel Convention guidelines. The policy stipulates that the collection of used lead-acid batteries must be done in an efficient collection infrastructure with the necessary control measures to avoid accidents. At collection points, used batteries are stored in acid-resistant containers, minimizing the risk of an accidental spillage. The collection point also doesn't hold large amounts of used batteries because overlong storage can lead to spillage. Most importantly, the policy stipulates that Ulab must not be sold to unlicensed or informal lead smelters, who are the main sources of lead contamination in the environment. The take-back program in the policy ensures that the drivers are trained in emergency procedures in case of any accidents. The transport team is provided with necessary personal protection equipment as well. While in transit, Ulab must be in shock-resistant and acid-resistant sealed containers, which are shrink-wrapped and bound tightly to the transport vehicle so they don't move about. Furthermore, the transport vehicle should be clearly identified as transporting corrosive and hazardous batteries with the recognized symbols. As the demand for renewable energy rises, we will continue to see an increased usage of lead-acid batteries. They are currently the primary energy storage component for most renewable energy products. And with a short lifespan of about 4 years, Nigeria will soon become inundated with huge amounts of toxic used lead-acid batteries that could threaten our health and environment unless something is done about it. The Nigerian renewable energy sector needs to adopt clean and green practices through a Ulab take-back scheme. Renewable energy operators need to start taking responsibility in implementing the steps outlined for the collection, recycling, and transportation of used lead batteries. At the same time, responsible government agencies like the National Environmental Standards and Regulations Enforcement Agency (NESRA) need to explore collaborative partnerships with the organized private sector like the Renewable Energy Association of Nigeria to expand environmentally sound battery management initiative nationwide.